So this is the Swiss Hotel, and we're gonna walk and check other hotels. Looks like there's a mall in front of our hotel, and we're gonna cross the pedestrian. Ganda naman ng building na yan. Yes, yan yung Swiss Hotel. Ganda naman ito, backdrop ng Swiss Hotel, oh. Okay, we're gonna walk and together with all the bicycles and the cars on the left. Yes, sino ba may priority, tao or bicycles? Maybe tao. Oh, si Bernard tatali pa ng sapatos. May labasa pala malapit sa hotel. Masarap na coffee yan. Okay, finally we have reached the Ritz-Carlton. It was a long walk just to discover this hotel. Nice 5-star hotel. Ito palang Ritz-Carlton. Ang lobby niya is also the bar. It's ayan, oh, lobby niya, at the same time it's a bar. Okay, so this time let's check the surroundings of this area. Okay, so this is outside already of Ritz-Carlton. Okay, yung palang Ritz-Carlton na yan is called the Portman. It's a very simple hotel. And in front of this Ritz-Carlton is the Shangri-La. Ito pala is the Shanghai Center. Oh, mga high-end brands pa lang nandito. Christian Dior, Ferragamo, Hermes, ayun, no? Ganda rin tong location. Panay shopping. Oh, sa dulo may Bulgari din, no? Okay, let's walk again. Oh, katabi lang niya si Ed's, ano, Shangri-La, oh. So we go inside the mall. Yes, ang ganda naman yan. Fountain. Oh, panay signature items pala rito, ah. Bulgari naman sa kabila. Ang ganda naman ang tindahan ni Bulgari, oh. Green na green. Ito naman si Louis Vuitton. Laki ng mall niya. Ito palang mall na to, Plaza 66, oh. Nga lang, pasarado na yung mga malls. Okay, so tayo naglalakad-lakad lang. We're gonna cross again. Pasyal-pasyal lang. Back to back pala mga malls dito, oh. City Square. Panay malls, ah. Yes. Dapat pala marami kang pera dito pag nagpunta ka ng Shanghai. Mga malls dito back to back. Ito pala pinaka-high-end ng Shanghai, ano? Parang Rodeo Drive. Yes, ganda. Ito, Rolex store. Problema, wala mo akong pambili. Okay. Wala masyadong traffic. Ayan, Nanjing Road. So dito nga pala sa Nanjing Road, kasama to yung pedestrian. Lahat ng high-end relo nandito na. Alright, so kami lakad lang ng lakad from Nanjing Road. We discovered another street. Maganda rin, no? Less crowd, Hindi tulad ng Nanjing pedestrian street. Yan, pumasok si Berna sa loob to discover something. Panay shopping talaga rito, pero less crowd. Ayan, pumasok si Berna sa mga eskinita. Maganda naman kasi to discover what's to be found. Sa labas, ito naman ang itsura. Ano kaya nakita ni Berna doon sa looban? Ayan na si Madam Berna, oh, naglalakad na pabalik. Yung crowd dito, buhay pa, oh. Kahit 10 o'clock na ng gabi. Ano Berna? Anong meron sa loob? Berna, anong meron sa loob? Ha? Shopping na naman. Ay, naku, panay shopping pala. Ito palang road na to na napakaganda. Maoming Road ang pangalan. Yes, Maoming Road. Ganda pala itong Maoming Road, perpendicular sa Nanjing Road. Ayan, ang Sukhothai, yung sikat na hotel sa sa Bangkok, Thailand. Alright, so another place we discovered near Nanjing Road because Berna wants to get Haiti. Yun, siguro nauhaw na si Berna. Alright, so this time we've reached the Shangri-La Hotel. Oh, wow, elegante. Siyempre, Shangri-La. It looks elegant. Oh, wow, maganda mag-chill out dito. Okay, so we're done chilling out in this very nice hotel of Shangri-La. And we're going back home to our hotel. Alright, so we're back at our Swiss hotel.